All right, so round 1 is scissor runs and high plank shoulder taps. Here's the scissor run. We've done these a lot of times. Remember to keep your speed up for this one since it is such a simple movement. If this is uncomfortable for any reason, you can do jumping jacks instead. We just want to keep our heart rates up, get them up since it's the first movement. Cool. Now you get your 10 seconds off, but you're going to have to head right to the mat for some high plank shoulder taps. All right, so with this one, you're going to get into your high plank. You're going to touch your alternate hand to your alternate side or shoulder. You're going to make sure your hips aren't moving too much. Mine are moving a little bit, and make sure they're not sinking down. So engage your core. Awesome. So that was round 1. You're going to repeat that 4 times through, and then you'll move on to round 2, which are the exercises I'm about to show you, and then you'll repeat that one also for 4 times through, but you can rest for 1 to 2 minutes in between those 2 rounds, if that makes sense. So your next movements are going to be 6 butt kicks into a burpee. So you can see I do 6 butt kicks. I'm going to jump out, jump back up into the butt kicks again. A normal burpee, you do a push-up at the bottom and you jump at the top. The jump is replaced with the butt kicks, and I took away the push-up, but you can add that if you want a little bit more of a challenge. So you get your 10 seconds rest. I'm going to have you get on the mat again, and we're going to do some high plank side openers. Get some water if you need to. Awesome. So you're going to get into your high plank. You're going to twist open. Slowly keep your hips up. So we do not want our hips to be sagging down. This is going to be using your obliques. Really getting them fired up. Your shoulder is going to be above your wrist. And awesome. So you'll repeat that also 4 times through, and then if you want to repeat again, you can.